So okay, the next chapter is household circuits. In this chapter, first of all, we'll study how the power is transmitted from generating station to the consumer. Okay, so first of all, here it's given that the power from generating station is transmitted at 11 kilovolt. Okay, from generating station it is transmitted at 11 kilovolt, not higher than that, not lower than that, because if the volt is higher than 11 kilovolt it will cause insulation difficulties. Okay, if it is higher then it will cause insulation difficulties, while if it is low then the current will be higher. Okay, so how is this? Like, see, what we have studied in Ohm's law is V is equal to IR, and that we have studied that I is directly proportional to V. Or we can say that V is directly proportional to I. If V will be less, I will be less. But here I am telling the just reverse thing, that if we will supply at a voltage lower than 11 kilovolt, the current will be higher. Here, if the voltage is lower, the current will be higher. Why so? Because here it is a different case. Here we are taking power as fixed. When the power is fixed, the inverse relation is followed. But when the power is not fixed, the direct relation is followed. Okay. When the power is fixed, we know the formula P is equal to VI. If the power is fixed, then we can bring V here and I here, we can keep here I here only. Then if the voltage is decreased, the current will increase. Clear? These two are different things. One is Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, V and I are directly proportional. If one will increase, other will also increase. But if we are taking that power is fixed, then V and I will be inversely proportional. One will increase, then other will decrease. So therefore, if the voltage is taken lower than 11 kilovolt, the current will be higher, then that current will lead to heating effect. Then more and more current will be wasted in the form of heat energy. Therefore, from the generating stations, the power is, or the electrical energy is transmitted at 11 kilovolt. Clear?